What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so recently I just reviewed the Jabra Elite 75Ts, and in that video I briefly went through the Jabra Sound Plus app simply because I was waiting for this video to run through that app in complete detail. So that's what I'm going to do here, as you can already tell by the thumbnail and the title.
I see some love. It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and type in Jabra, and it's Sound Plus, so it probably should come up very quickly. Click on that, download that. Okay, so now that I have that downloaded, what I'm going to do is open that up, and then it says Sound Plus would like to use Bluetooth. Go ahead, hit OK. Open up your case, throw your earbuds in, and automatically they'll cut on and go into Bluetooth pairing mode and tell you to go to your Bluetooth menu and connect to the Jabra Elite 75T. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Now that it's connected, it says connected. Now I'm gonna go back to the app, hit get started, Bluetooth pairing request, go ahead and hit pair. Click on Jabra Elite 75T. I already did that, so I'm gonna go to next. It says connect successful. Jabra Elite 75T is now connected to your phone. Hit OK. So here is the beginning as soon as you cut on the app. Now, what I would like to warn you is that I spent probably about maybe 20 to 30 minutes messing around with this app before because it would not connect successfully. So what I had to do, I had to delete the app, I had to restart my phone, and I put these back into factory reset mode. It's by holding down the multifunction button on both earbuds for maybe about 10-15 seconds, throw them back in the case, put them on a charger for a little bit, and then started that process that I just went over all over again, and they hooked up just like that. So if you have issues like that, follow what I just said and you should be good. So now back to this app. When you first open this app and connect your earbuds, it says explore your headset. Tap on the hotspots to learn about the features and buttons on your new Jabra Elite 75T. So if you click on the earbud button at the top, it shows you left earbud. I would think that it would show a little bit more. Obviously that's the left earbud, and then I'm guessing that's the right earbud. You got your replacement ear tips, small, medium, and large. You have your case, charging case, and then hit done exploring. And it says choose your voice assistant. You can do iOS by default or choose Amazon Alexa, and in my opinion, Amazon Alexa is a lot better than Siri, but for just the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it at iOS default. If you do choose Amazon Alexa, you can see that you would have to log in with your Amazon account. So I'm going to skip that right now and just hit next. It says, we hope you enjoy your Jabra Elite 75Ts. Now hit OK. And here it is, the main screen right here. And as you can see, you do have your battery at the top right. You have your Jabra Elite 75T name at the top left, and your left and right icons. And this is the Moments tab, as you can see. And on the left side, you do have, this is the Moments, it's My Commute, and then you also have Focus. So going back to the Moments tab, you have a gear icon at the right, and inside the gear icon, it says sound mode. You can do hear through, no sound mode is active. So when you click on that, you actually have hear through on, and I'm going to leave it on because I can actually hear myself a little bit better. I might not be talking as loud. And it says when hear through is turned on, continue playing audio, mute audio. So I would rather have continue playing audio. Let me go back. Music equalizer. You can customize your equalizer right here. They do have presets at the bottom: speech, bass boost, treble boost, smooth, and energize. And they have a play button at the bottom. I'm guessing if you have music already queued up, if you hit the play button, you can hear the differences between each of them. But then you can also set how you want it. And then I believe you could hit save. And you could hit save, and you could type in the name that you actually want this to be. So you can obviously customize your EQ exactly how you want it. Audio experience. Auto resume audio. Audio will automatically pause when one of the earbuds is removed from your ear. When the earbud is placed back in your ear, the audio will resume unless the earbud has been removed from your ear for more than 60 seconds. I'm gonna leave that on because I do like that feature. Call experience. At the top, it says mute reminder tone. Play a reminder tone periodically when the microphone is muted. That is a good feature to have. I do like that. You have side tone, hear your own voice when on a call. Adjust how loud your own voice will sound to you when on a call. I'm gonna leave it how it is. Call equalizer, select how you would like to hear the other person on a call. Default, more treble, more bass. I would have more treble, a louder sound, better call quality in my opinion. Prioritize the Bluetooth device with an active call, ensuring optimal audio quality and wireless range. All other Bluetooth devices will be disconnected during the call. When the call is completed, all Bluetooth devices that were disconnected will be reconnected. So that's a nice feature. I have never seen that in any other app before. And also I would just like to say that I do believe Jabra hands down has the best app for their headphones and earbuds, even better than Sony's, and Sony's app is really dope. But back to this. It also has headset assistant. Inside of headset assistant, it says sleep mode. To save battery, the headset can enter sleep mode when inactive or when not being worn. Just how long the headset would wait before entering sleep mode. 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, never enter sleep mode. And you also have voice guidance at the bottom. It says you will hear voice prompts in the headset. So with the sleep mode, that helps out with battery drainage, and I would like to have that on 15 minutes. And then for the voice guidance, that probably won't affect the battery too much, but I do like to have voice guidance when my headphones are in. Reset moment to Jabra default. So if you go back to the moments tab, right here, that reset moment to Jabra default, it will erase everything that you just done and it will set it back to the default, obviously. So you have the hear through, the music equalizer, music presets, and then at the bottom you have edit widgets. And then as you can see on the left side, you do have the check marks, and you can also add soundscapes to that. And then with the 3 tabs on the right side, you can adjust them and put the widgets, customize them how you want. So when I hit done, it'll automatically adjust how I set up those widgets. Now for soundscapes, and I'm hoping that this will pick up so that you can hear the sound, because I'm about to run through all of these. So if I hit the 3 lines on the side, you can mask the noise around you. So you got pink noise, you got white noise, ventilation fan, waterfall, diving, sounds of nature, ocean waves, rainy days, songbirds, perfect storm, babbling brook, and in comfort ambience, you have cavern and crowd. And so those are the different soundscapes that you have. And I think that is just amazing. Like I said earlier, no other app that I know of. If I'm wrong, go ahead and check me in the comments, but no other app that I have seen actually has soundscapes in there. And that's a nice thing to have if you want a calming sound for maybe when you're studying, or if you're at work and you just don't want to listen to music. Going down to this train icon, this is my Commute. So it says sound modes. You can change your hear through right here, and then you also have your music presets, and then you also have edit widgets again, so that you can add what you want to the Commute tab. And then so the next icon, you have focus. So focus, when you change it to this, you can have your hear through, and then soundscapes, and also you can add other widgets to that, but they have focus on here. So if you're doing something that you actually have to pay attention to, you have the Soundscapes app to put those ambient sound modes on, and so that you can just focus on whatever you're doing. At the bottom, it has a headset icon, and it just shows you your earbuds or headphones that you actually have. It shows your battery life for each earbud and the case, and you can check for firmware update. If I click on that, my firmware is up to date. When a new firmware becomes available, you'll be notified by the Discovery tab. So I always recommend that you do keep these updated as often as possible, simply because your earbuds or headphones might not work properly if they're not updated. Voice assistant, click on that, and this is where you can change from Siri to Amazon Alexa. And I'm guessing, since I do have this on my iPhone, iOS is default, but if you have it on Android or maybe any other phone, it will have your voice assistant as default, and then you can choose Alexa as a second option. Register your Jabra 75T Elite. You can do that. I recommend you doing that as soon as you get it, so you get the 2-year warranty. Find My Jabra. So if you click on here, you hit activate. Grant location access. Why grant access? To know where you disconnected your Jabra headset, we need to know where you were at the time. For this, we need your permission to always allow access to your location. Be assured we are only saving the last time and place your headset disconnected from your phone, and the data is only saved on your phone. So if you do trust Jabra, go ahead and click on that. I really have no issue with doing that. That's just me. If they wanted to find me, they can just track my phone and not through the app, whatever. So I'm going to my settings. Let me go ahead and put it to always. And that should be, we should be good money, right? There we go. You turn it to always, and then it'll show where it left off. So you click on that, and if the earbuds aren't with you, you do find My Jabras, and like it said, it will go to the last location that these Jabras were connected to the phone. So if you lost them, like, I don't know, you lose them somewhere and then you leave where you're at and it's been 2-3 hours and you click on that, it'll show where you lost them, but someone might have already came and scooped them. But either way, it'll be on here, so you can do that. Inside, let's see, the next tab is voice guidance language. So this is where you can change the internal voice inside of the earbuds to one of these 6 languages. Rate your Jabra Elite 75Ts. It'll take you to a website and you can just fill this out and you can do all that. I'm not doing that right now. And you have guides and manuals. So you have your quick start guide, which we went over at the beginning. You have read the user manual right here. It shows the entire user manual, so you don't have to worry about what comes inside the box. And then you have the Jabra Elite 75T frequently asked questions, and it'll go to a website and then it'll talk about various questions that were asked just to help you out. If you can't find something, you don't have to contact them. You can find it in there. So one thing that I did notice that I do not like about this, and Jabra, if you watch this, inside of headset, there should be another tab right here that will give you the button functions. You have to actually go into the user manual. I think it's page 11 or 12 where it talks about the button functions. It'll be easier just to have it right here, just to quickly show the button functions. But anyways, that's just my opinion. The next tab over is Discover, and then right here is where you'll get updates. Swipe to dismiss this card. These cards will show you news and updates, walkthroughs and promotions. Swipe left or swipe right to dismiss. Important cards like firmware updates cannot be dismissed. So I'm on this one. I'll go ahead and swipe that, and then it says register. I'm not going to register that right now. And then hit about is buy Jabra online, contact Jabra support, technical info, rate this app, private policy, and legal disclaimer. And I believe that is every single thing about this app. And so yeah, people, that was a quick rundown of the Jabra Sound Plus app. Like I said earlier, I honestly believe that Jabra has the best app on the market. It's better, in my opinion, than Sony's. I just think that that Soundscape widget just takes it over the top. And then also being able to customize the EQ. Not a lot of apps do that. You do have presets. I do believe the Sony app does allow you to customize the EQ, but for me, I just think that the Jabra Sound Plus app is just an overall better app. I mean, that's my opinion. I could be wrong, and if you disagree with me, go ahead and feel free to let me know how you feel in the comments down below. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech video. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.